Hey, what's going on, working class hustlers? This video is about tactical arbitrage software. So I'm going to assume that if you typed in those search terms, then you probably already know what this software is all about. You just want to get deeper into it, and that's what we're about to do right now. Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Horace, also known as the Working Class Hustler, and in this video I'm going to be showing tactical arbitrage. And what the software is if you're selling on Amazon, both retail and online arbitrage, meaning you're buying retail products and turning them around and selling them on Amazon, this software is a powerful tool that leverages the abilities of the software for your benefit. In other words, you don't have to do so much of the heavy lifting. I don't want to paint an incorrect picture and tell you that you don't have to do any work, because you still do have to do a lot of work. Don't get into this thinking that it's going to take away the work. It's going to help you to work smarter. Remember, working smart does not mean that you don't work hard. So when you hear all that, work smarter, not harder, no. If you want to be successful, hard work, that's the barrier to entry. You have to work hard. Working smarter means that you work hard on the things that matter. So when it comes to sourcing products, if you could put someone else or something else to work, that's a way of almost like getting into automation. In fact, it is. So we're going to get right into the software, and I'm just going to briefly go over what the software does. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to come into what is the dashboard, and we're going to just look at a couple of things so you can see a little bit of information. By the way, my name is Horace, in case I didn't mention that. I probably did, but there you can see my identification. I have no searches active, but here's what I want you to get right away. When you use this software, I want you to take a look at the different sites that are available for you to search. In other words, these are all the sites that you can tell the software to search for deals for you based on the criteria that you select. Okay, so you can do this ad hoc, or you can do it, you can actually set up searches automatic. There's got to be easily over 600 sites available to you. I haven't counted them all. Maybe one day I'll do that, but I just wanted to give you an idea of the different sites that you can have the software search. And you know, searching for products, finding inventory is paramount in this business. When you have this many sites, there's no one that can tell me, hey, I can't find anything to sell. There's just oodles of products. Your problem is not going to be finding products. Your problem is going to be not having enough capital, and that's a good problem to have. So you can do, in most cases, what you're going to be doing is either product searches or reverse searches, and I'm not going to get all into how to set those up. If you want to get into that, click into the upper corner of the video. Somewhere you'll see a way that you can get into the whole series that we put out here for you to show you how to develop those skills to really use the software. But I just want to demonstrate for this quick video a way to use the software. So remember, when you do a product search, that's where you tell the software, hey, search Acer, or search B&H, search Big Lots, all of these different sites, search Costco, look in a certain category. This is the kind of profit I want to make. This is the kind of rank I want to look at. Again, I'm assuming you guys know about product rank and all of that kind of stuff. If not, we have those videos out there. Stay tuned to the end, and we'll guide you on to other videos that we've already done. So, but that is what a product search is. But then you also have what's called a reverse search. Now, a reverse search is a little bit different. That's where you pick a category, say like pet supplies, and you tell the software, hey, Look through the top 3,000 or so products that are selling right now on Amazon. That way I already know these are popular products. Remember all of those sites we looked at? Look for these products through all of those sites and find me deals. That way we know we're working with hot items, so we don't have to think about whether or not the products are selling. We don't have to think, is there any profit margin in there? Let the software do all of that. Now there's a lot of stuff to look at, so you might you might feel a little overwhelmed when you're looking at all of this stuff, but we break it down in those other videos. So just click in there, look down in the description. We have all of that for you. You don't have to do this alone, guys. It's not hard at all. In fact, it's simple. Perseverance is the hard part. Staying with it and day in, day out, that's the hard part. So let me put on my glasses and we're going to go inside and show you a couple of products, just two, and then we're out of here. But remember, you can set up a product search like we talked about, a reverse search, or this software is so powerful, so intuitive, and always improving. Now they have a always be scanning feature, so that when you log in, you don't even have to go through all of this setting up products. What you can do is click on always be scanning, and these are going to be searches unique to you. No one else is going to see them. And let me show you one. This is in the always be scanning. Now what you're going to find out is, once you learn how to use all of this stuff, always be scanning is searching all sorts of categories. So you'll notice I went out and deselected everything, but on this page I just wanted to look at grocery and gourmet. That's a category that I like to work in. Now here's what we're looking at. This is the website that the software found this product at, and this is the price. Now they adjusted the price because they know that I pay 6% sales tax. That's not the price I'm going to actually pay, because in Pennsylvania you don't pay sales tax on food. So this would be the actual price that I pay, and then I would make the adjustment as I'm doing more research. So here's the steps that I take, just real quick without getting too deep into it. All I do is go look at the link, make sure it's selling for the price that they're showing on the website. And it's actually a little bit cheaper, okay, if that's the right size. We're looking for 16 ounce, and it is. We're looking for vanilla, so we're matching pictures. This is the picture on Target, this is the picture on Amazon, and that's also 16 ounces. Now it may not match exactly, but it's a close enough match. And what we're looking at real quick, they estimate that there are 28 sales going on, so we know that the product is selling. But is it really selling for $20 just about? So we'll click on this link, and that's the wrong one. So we want to click on, say, that link. That way we can look. Oh, and look at, that's actually a pack of 3. So you have to watch those types of things. These are the things, the skills that you're going to get good at. You wouldn't want to buy one, turn around and find out it's 3, and so then that wouldn't be a good deal. So that's a good example to show you that the software isn't perfect. You still have to do some thinking yourself. But imagine a software that puts everything out in front of you, and then all you have to do is look through. Otherwise, what would you do? How would you find these products? Well, you'd have to go to the individual websites yourself, and you would have to go looking around and then plugging in products into Amazon to try and find a deal for yourself. So I have another product that I already had set up for you just for the sake of time, and this one is in the category of books. So again, if you come to your filter manager and you come down to category, you'll see I have nothing but books selected. Now I could select other things, and then I would have more pages out here. But as you can see, we've already got 7 pages worth of things. So here's what I found. This is a book, and it should be available at christianbook.com. It's called Animal Farm. If you never read it, it's a good book. But it should be at christianbook.com for $14.99. And this is showing the adjusted price in case they're going to charge me tax. And so we want to look on Amazon, because when you look at your software, they're saying that the buy price should be around $70. I don't know if that's true or not, but there's only one way to find out. We'll go to the product. Here, I'll tell you what, we'll close that and we'll go fresh from here. Okay. Now you gotta do a little bit of research, and you can see it is the 1993 edition, and it's hardcover. I'm gonna assume that this is new, but maybe it isn't. We would look a little bit deeper and be sure of that. But assuming that it is for now, you're showing one new for $44.95, and you'll notice that's not fulfilled by Amazon. So you would have an advantage right off the bat if you were to send yours in. And if you did that, you should be getting a gross profit of about $39.01 with 241%. But when you look at that product, you see it's really not at that cost. Now you have to understand, prices are very dynamic on Amazon. They're always changing. But even at that price, I think you would do quite well. Now what you could do, here's another feature I'll show you real quick that you could do. You could take that ASIN and you could come over to analysis. You could come over to what they call tactical edge. You can stick that ASIN in there, and then for your price, your adjusted price would be $16.19. And then we could let that load just to give us some more information. And of course, we're looking at the ASIN in new condition. You only have one competitor, and this is the amount of stock. Now, what you really want to pay attention to is the 90-day average price, because that is going to be a little bit better, actually considerably better than just looking at today's price and today's rank. Those are just snapshots in time. You want to be able to kind of estimate, use your tools to paint a better picture. You can see what your average 90-day rank is for the product, and you can see that with an estimated 13 sales and only one other person, and they only have one in stock, if this product is in fact new, and if you are able to sell it, here, right in here, you can check your restrictions without even having to leave. So you kind of get an idea of how the tool works. I can tell you guys, this software is worth its weight in gold. It is the engine that runs my Amazon business. Without it, I would be totally lost. Could I work without it? Of course. We've been putting out videos on this channel for 3 years, and we didn't start out using this software. We did it the hard way, and we did okay, but not the kind of numbers that we do today. So that's what I wanted to show you. And one more thing. Here is kind of gives you an idea. If you come out to tacticalarbitrage.com, you can kind of see and learn about the software. Here you can actually get the breakdown of the pricing if you're interested in that. Most likely you'll take the online arbitrage package. Most likely you'll pay on the monthly setup. But you could actually go annual, and that would save you, as you can see here, 21%. It does library, it does wholesale, it does combinations of those, and you can get the full suite, which is what I have. We do have a link down in the description, so if you'd like to support me, that would be great. It won't cost you anything. In fact, instead of a 7-day free trial, you can get a full 10-day free trial. And by doing that, you can actually contact me. My text number is in the description, and if you need some help, I would be more than happy to kind of walk you through the software, because I realize it can be a little overwhelming. I didn't use it for months because I just didn't want to get into the work of getting over the learning curve, and I'm gonna live to regret it. But I finally went out and did it, and I did it because of you. Having a channel and wanting to be able to help others forced me to get better. So for that reason, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified as we continue putting out videos like this, and know what to expect. When you subscribe to this channel, you can expect 2 uploaded videos per week, plus a notification when we go live. We go live every Saturday, and that's where we can really get closer as a family, and you can ask questions and we can really work together. I love taking the time to source products that we can actually buy together. We have a lot of fun. So stay tuned for the next video. We're going to serve that up right now. Talk to you later, guys.